Hi, welcome to Mastering Mobile Marketing Video Series with Yodel Mobile. My name is Jakob, and today I'll be taking you through how to get users to opt in for your push notifications. Push notifications are a great way of re-engaging with your users when they're outside of the app. When speaking about getting users to agree, we're focusing our efforts solely on iOS users, as the Android ones are opted in by default. With iOS, not only can it be difficult to get the users to opt in, but if you blow your one shot with them, you can never ask them again. There is a solution to this, which an increasing number of apps is adopting, something we call permission priming. Asking the user through a custom message, you can gauge their interest first before invoking the system iOS message. And as we mentioned, you need to be sure that they will say yes before you do that. Depending on the app's functionality, you might first need to onboard the users and teach them about the features your app has. Some apps do this by showing a few screens that show the UI of the app. Others walk you through the features itself. The onboarding and benefit overlays are becoming very common in the market, and because they showcase the benefits and features of the app, by the end of it, you can ask the users to opt in for push notification. If they say yes, that's great. If they say no, you still got some work to do and you need to convince them of the benefits of your app before trying to ask them again. That brings us to the other strategy. You are much more likely to be successful when you trigger the prompt based on the user's latest activity within the app. The exact situation when you want to trigger the prompt depends on the nature of your app. If you're a news app, you might want to ask after the user has read a few articles. If you have a shopping app, you might want to ask them after they've ordered something. What you're actually aiming to do is balance two things: how many users will actually see the prompt and what the conversion rate to users opting in will be. Make sure enough users will see your permission prime, but optimize your conversion rates by only asking those who are more engaged. We've talked about when to ask, now how to ask. The placement of the message is best tied in with the user's in-app activity, and the same applies to the content of the actual prompt. You need to make sure that the users will understand the benefits of opting in and how it will enhance the overall experience with the app. And as with everything you do, the work really never is over. You want to optimize and test to improve your conversion rates and increase the volume of users that have opted in for your push notifications. You want to A/B test your messages and visuals to ensure that the benefits are conveyed in a clear and enticing way. That's it for today. Make sure you watch the last video of our series, which tells you more about the overall MCRM strategy and how we can utilize those users that have opted in. Make sure to like and subscribe to our videos and get in touch if you have any questions. Bye.